A TATA Tiago car bearing number TR01-BH-0558 burned to ashes on the spot in the road accident. 2 persons were injured in the incident. This incident occurred at Bikarai village and the Chandipur Constituent Assembly on Wednesday. 3 fire engines arrived at the scene after the incident. In the incident, the car fell down in the paddy and caught fire. Later, a fire brigade personnel arrived at the scene and brought down the fire. At the same time, the injured were taken to Kailasahar District Hospital. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.